Welcome to uSkinned. In this video, learn how to add or edit your site name with uSkinned Site Builder. This can be achieved using the content tree on the left-hand side and by locating the global node. The global node controls, you guessed it, all of your site's global settings, such as navigation, footer, and site name. From the options on the right-hand side, click to open Content and Settings. Now go to the General tab. Enter the name of the website in the field provided. Once you're happy, click Save and Publish. From any page in the content tree, go to the Info tab and click the link to view the results. You will see your new site name in action. And that's it, you've added your website name. But remember, don't stop there. This is just the start of your journey. Check out the next video to learn more about uSkinned.